kebersihan.
Hari gini buang sampah sembarangan. Udah tahu sampah biang masalah, buang sampah pada tempatnya lah.
Iya ya, kalau bukan kita siapa lagi? Ayo kita buat Jakarta jadi bersih.
Nice to see you again.
Ah, you can see it. Hi, James. Yeah.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
It's quite interesting.
Yeah. We had a lot of flooding. Harris. So I got to move last time, didn't I? Was Pat Harris here for the last meeting, or maybe not? That's Harris, Orange Joe.
Selamat pagi. Senang sekali berjumpa Pak James. Thank you. Great meeting yesterday.
Oh, you already have a meeting?
Yeah, it's very.
Ancol ya gitu.
Ini kebetulan juga di Dinas Perindustrian dan Anggaran bisa di sana dan ada di
Lokasi di Ancol.
lokasi nanti yang juga bisa di PIK juga bisa Pak. Yang perkebunan kecil ada kantor ini kantornya teman-teman dari ini.
Yeah, I think it's great. So we already have a budget in our apartment for medium scale enterprise. We also have a place like Pandina Kapuk. This bukan Pandina Kapuk ya?
Kecil.
Oh, itu kecil di Pulau Gadung.
Okay.
Pulau Gadung. But Pulau Gadung is a little bit far from Kelapa Gading juga banyak. Near many restaurant.
Great, yeah, and that's such a, I think the pilot is the right way to get started.
Yeah.
But long term, there's some opportunities for larger equipment all over Indonesia. But the issue will be actually getting hold of the waste cooking oil in the first place.
Yeah. We also already operate a free tourism bus. There's a diesel.
Yeah.
That's why we're very interested in this program. So we want to put all this product, biodiesel, put in our bus.
Brilliant. To have a carbon neutral bus.
Yeah. We have a very green bus. That's right. Now we already have 5 units around. Our planning is from Kuningan to Suboto, maybe we will purchase more than 60 or 80 bus. So in the center of this city, we have a tourism bus, free. It's 10 minutes. That's why I think it's very great opportunity and idea to put this waste cooking oil to become fuel. And I believe not enough to support our operation. still not enough.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. That's very encouraging news. And I think it's great that Eddie and the team and Mas Harris now are going to be able to work with Pat James, who is also committed to training someone to operate the biodiesel.
Yeah, and we're very keen as a company to get established here in Indonesia as a base for Southeast Asia. That would be our long-term plan, because the opportunities are huge. So we had a great meeting yesterday. It's been a very exciting trip so far.
So you want to start?
Talking to it, and then after that, there is economic scale. In the farm first, our scale is about 1,000 liters per day.
100,000. 100,000. I thought
1,000
liter per hari.
1,000 liter
per hari kita coba. Iya, nanti yang masih dipikirkan operator pengangkutan dan operator pelaksananya siapa.
Ini belum ada studi kajiannya belum.
Nanti ekonomi justification-nya akan am I right? You're waiting for the economic justification paper that Pat James is going to produce. And who should he send that to?
I think directly to Pak Adi aja lah, Pak Adi aja ya. I think Pak Adi will be present in charge of this program.
Or certainly by next week. So you've got the costings on production. For the scale of the pilot plant, it's relatively small, but as you scale up, the overall production cost will reduce. But with the key to any of these projects is sourcing the waste cooking oil. And part of our discussion yesterday was whether there would be an opportunity to, when restaurants go for their licenses to continue, is that part of the licensing process would be to say that the cooking oil is being disposed of in the correct manner, because obviously a lot of it's now being sold and reused.
But I prefer the location is Ancol, not in units. Transportation cost is very high because all the restaurant Ancol we have I have to say it entertainment park in Ancol. There is better, very near now. We have an operation car. We have to subsidy like this. When you put them in this industrial zone, only 1,000 liters per day. I think you could not make this feasibility for a business scale. You understand? All the restaurant is far from there. So di situ beda di Ancol itu. Yang gedung saya dari Ancol aja produksi sudah gitu banyak. Itu yang namanya restoran Bandar Jakarta saja goreng ikannya udah gitu banyak sih. Hotel itu one complex very near. Ya kan Bandar Jakarta semacam terus dari Gunung Sari segala macam itu dari Puluit Kelapa Gading masih dekat ke Pulau Gadung. Terus mobil-mobil mereka bisa dipakai kan, mobil sampah bersih itu dia bisa sekalian. Jadi kita jangan pikirin nanti mesti punya mobil ngambil minyak sendiri, motor ngambil pegawai saja nggak bisa. Kalau dicoba nggak boleh. So you could not have to budget for buying a truck to transport this oil. You have to use what we already have. That's why Ancol complex is better. Kalau di Pixar, pasti tidak mobil. Nanti anggaran mobil untuk ngumpulin minyak apa-apa nggak ada itu. Saya maunya di Ancol aja. Kalau di Ancol, mobil Ancol yang buat sampah, kebersihan segala macam itu sekalian. Kan dia ngambil sampah di restoran. Sekalian dia mampir orang satu komplek kok dia kok. Bilang taruh di base camp tempat mobilnya parkir. Kan dia punya workshopnya gitu lah. Dia punya tempatnya kan, taruh di situ. Dia listrik penjaga semua numpang. Jadi ini kalau kamu mau sendiri mobil, emang bisa tutup 1.000. Saya udah pernah ngitung kok. Kalau bilang kalau itu bisa tutup 12.000. 12.000 mau kumpul minyak dari siapa? 12.000 itu dari siapa? Jadi ini bisa efektif kalau dia langsung diinovasi. Mesinnya kan kecil atau kita. Mesin is not. Just you don't need to special building, special security, special manager. You got to do this. You have to put in Ancol. We already have a warehouse, we already have a security, have a truck. This is just a, how to say, additional job for them. Masih bilang sampingan Pak. Saya kira di Ancol putusin. Kontak Ancol, tadi Pak Iman bantu. Jadi konsepnya itu, dia mobil kebersihan, mobil pungut sampah itu yang sekalian membawa satpam yang naik motor itu yang sekalian yang pungut. Jadi baru kasih dia bonus tambahan gitu. Dia beli. Jadi kalau di kawasan industri satu mesin segitu 1.000 liter per hari. Mau ngantar 1.000 liter sehari pakai mobil jemput, kebayang nggak sih sopir? Satu sopir sampai kenet ngambil 1.000 liter saja, itu sehari sudah habis berapa tuh? Udah 400.000. Nggak masuk akal. Dia nggak boleh, harus diancol itu.
But do you think that the oil will be easy to source from the restaurants and the
Easy. That's why I did Ancol as our first project. Because all the restaurant, the hotel they have to contact with us. This is our place.
So you don't need.
I will say you could not sell outside. All your oil have to stay here and we pay for you.
I see. You can control that.
And we will give the same price. We could do this. If outsider want to buy, they need a transportation. We almost don't need the transportation. We just use a garbage car, the security car. You just stop by and took it. We don't need to special pay for car transportation, for the driver, for staff. We're going to do this. We don't want to pay for the security for this factory. No. We want to put inside what we already have. Small scale. Yes, a good idea. And the end, the product is easy. Because we already have a bus. Just put in our tourism bus. Even could use in Ancol for trucking, for garbage trucking, everything. So the whole Ancol maybe we use this cooking oil. Langsung dia.
Well, that's very encouraging.
Genset juga bisa. You could put in generator set or it's a huge complex in Ancol for pumping, everything. So you don't need to sell outside too. One complex.
And that's perfect.
You know, Ancol is almost 600 hectares.
Wow.
You could imagine many restaurant, hotel, all is inside.
Might be worth actually trying to get.
And many, we have a real estate too, housing complex.
But James will go and have a look at Ancol. So
Saya look Ancol. I yet to come.
belum ke sana.
Ajak aja ke Ancol. Jadi Ancol betul-betul perumahannya gitu banyak, apartemen. You could imagine only Aston apartment. More than 8 towers. Aston. Not only a hotel, apartment. We could ask to them, the security. If you gather this cooking oil, we'll give you a tip. So this becomes feasible in economic scale. You put in Pulau Gadung, special cars. I said no. Harus Ancol. The genset rumah pompa, truknya, sampahnya sudah cukup pakai.
Boleh tanya, on the promotion side, untuk marketing, would you like to advertise that you are installing a new biodiesel plant?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah.
Mr. Governor, when he goes everywhere, the media follow him.
Maybe
Very easy.
the governor would like to come and open it.
Yeah, just open it. If our governor could not come to open, I will come.
Very good. Excellent.
People will follow this.
Well, bring your car.
So very easy. Yeah, now it's very easy. For media coverage, it's very easy.
Very good. Is there a symbolic date, a special date that you would like to plan for the opening?
I don't believe mystic. Every day is a new day and good for good day. Every day is a good day, not only Good Friday. Sunday also a good Sunday, good Monday.
Very good.
I don't know why the
As soon as possible.
English language say Good Friday.
How long will it take, James, to actually source the materials and so on once the order is
Yeah, so typically a build time is about 8 to 10 weeks, and then it will be to ship it here probably 3 to 4 weeks, I guess.
You wait until you're easy. Everything already has, you just put the place.
Yeah, so 4 months to have it here.
You mind, you don't see something only big.
So it will take about 4 months to manufacture and ship.
But 4 months, I don't know. Mr. Governor, come open as a president, as a elected president, but still as a governor. Yeah, because Indonesia is very fast in our politics. We don't know what will happen in this few months.
Is there anything else on?
Is there a procurement process we need to go through to be able to?
But you know, if they put in e-catalog, it's very easy. But you also could put, you know, kasih tahu aja kan, specification. So, yeah, we don't want every time when bidding process come out, the China product will. So always like that.
So Eddie, would you like a paper from James on the specification?
Tolnya itu kita bisa siapin. Kita bisa tulis ke Australia,
and complete with the economic justification.
Yes. So, bersama ya.
Yes. So it's easier
for everybody to process.
Jadi kerjasama antara UKM dengan Ancol.
Alright.
Nah ini bagus. Apa small scale seperti itu. Kita tunggu aja supaya pas. Ini sebenarnya bisa kok tender kita ngarahkan mau menang apa. Bukti untuk kita beli Toyota Land Cruiser bisa dapat dari Inggris, gimana caranya? Kok nggak dapat Jeep dari India atau dari China? Karena kita kan plot, standarnya apa, Mercedes standarnya apa. Ini memang niatnya mau angka yang menang, dan angka ada produksi lama. Itu bikin. Dia udah siap, dia sudah dengan isu dia bisa menang proyek berapa ribu udah beli. Makanya mereka terlalu halus sebagai BPT segala macam itu pasti begitu. Kita tahu lah sama-sama orang pemerintah lah. Lu kalau mau menangin siapa lu bisa ngalahin kok. Itu cuma pembenaran aja. Berapa yang ikut, berapa yang ikut. Jadi itulah langsung minta aja gitu.
Nanti sama Margaret sama Rizkan juga nanti kita koordinasikan untuk.
Ya kan tinggal tolnya disiapkan supaya kita mau produk yang kualitasnya yang terbaik gitu. If you put the specification very easy, that's what happened in our bus. The China must come. You know the problem with China. China has a very good product, but they also has a very bad product. When you asking them how much is bus, he will ask back, how much you want? I will produce for you. That's the problem. That's what we got the bus now.
As you
Only shipping become many rush. How come shipping broken before use?
As you know, I lived in China for many years.
Yeah, I got angry. Really get angry when this happened.
And many of them prefer to buy the made in UK products in order to get the quality.
Even BRT in China, they don't use a China bus. How come we follow use a China bus? I said, even we already finished our duty here, the bus still going. We still need the bus driver transit in Jakarta. How can we purchase like this? Look at Singapore. They purchase all Scania. 20 years still operating. And they sell to Africa, South Africa. Still operating in Africa country. Not South Africa, the Africa country. Bogota. Volvo, Scania, man. You just put. The quality is equal with that. They don't want to put this sentence. That's a little bit cheating. But they are right in the administration. That's why I asked the KPK, they had to find out the fire extinguished car. They had to find out the markup of this project. Bring them to jail. I don't care about this, I said. Because we didn't need a bus. How can you still make a ridiculous thing like this? We didn't need a bus.
Well, we'll make sure that the quality of the Green Fuels biodiesel plant will not end up with him in jail.
It's not work very hard.
He's already frightened.
That's it. It'll be perfect.
But can I mention the personal rapid translation, PRT, you received already?
I've read this before.
Yeah, yeah. We talked about this last time, the Ultra.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very.
Did you see their proposal?
Yeah, I already know.
Yeah, yeah.
I think this is better for one complex.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not for the whole Jakarta.
I think that's right.
I've read this. I learned not the whole Jakarta.
Yeah.
Because we have many, but in one complex like SCBD.
Yeah.
So one, like Kuningan. So I think this company have to find out in Jakarta what place they want to make as a model.
Yeah.
And they have to now economic scale.
Okay.
Do this.
Yeah.
Like Ancol, we don't know. Ancol maybe not many move. Yeah.
Do you have any suggestion where you would like to see this happen first? Do you think Kuningan would be a
I
good
think
place?
Kuningan SCBD, Casablanca is a good place. I don't know. But we already proposed for them free bus service.
The bus service,
But this is good. No traffic jam.
Or I was thinking about the connectivity of you have Sudirman and Rasuna Said when you have in between. The cross city is the problem.
Yeah, that's why I said you have to find out this company, find out what's area, and they give us a proposal. So we will try to calculate how many could minimize the traffic when we operate this. That's very important for us. Iya, betul. Kita di Kuningan ini, kita mesti cek.
And who do you
Motornya
think,
jalan. Oh,
kalau ini project PRT, who should this company liaise with in the team here?
Kapan mesti ada? Nggak, transportasi Jakarta kapan mulai diangkat? Kapan mulai mau dilantik? I think you have to wait for until next month.
Yeah.
We just want to establish one local company.
Yeah.
Maybe at the end of this month. So next month you directly deal with the CEO of this company.
New CEO.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
So you put this for a company is more flexible than under our department government.
Very good.
B2B is more easy than G2B or G2G.
B2B.
B2B is
Very good, sir. Apa lagi? Kami ada satu water company namanya Bywater.
Okay.
They are experts in the transportation and purification of the water pipeline.
Talk to Japro.
So they are working on the Jati Luhur project, which is becoming a little bit complicated.
Yeah. It's better you just prepare our fresh water from our river. We have 13 main river in Jakarta.
Yeah.
Whether you use this source, you just put a gate. Yeah, it's very more easy than put from Jatiluhur. Yeah, I think it's not easy. We have many waduk, like Pluit, Sunter, Marunda. And now, like Ancol, we use river osmosis. Like my housing complex, Pantai Mutiara, they use river osmosis. All apartments use that. I don't know, their cost may be $1 for 1 cubic. They sell it $1.50. But they got $0.50. Very near. Just put the water.
Do you think the Jati Luhur project is not going to work?
Work, but long and spend a lot of money.
Yeah. Okay.
I think it's better we provide the water from Ciliwung. How to, Ciliwung is very big capacity. Angke, or from the sea. Reverse osmosis now, because the people, you know, the poor people in Jakarta, they spend $2.50, sometimes almost $5 per cubic for water. The rich one only $1, $1.50. You know what they use gerobak itu, cart to serve the water. That's funny in Jakarta.
Okay. They made a...
You talk to Pd Jakpro.
Yeah, betul. Terima kasih, Pak. They made a small proposal for the Seribu Pulau.
Pulau Seribu.
Yeah, the Pulau Seribu, on the water supply and sewage treatment. They wrote a letter to Pak Gubernur, but so far no reply.
Sometimes you give me the letter.
He's a very busy man.
Sometimes you put the CC to
I'll get the full proposal because that's just the cover letter. But there are some detailed proposals behind it.
Ini suruh langsung ini aja, langsung ke siapa nih? Ke Asekmin aja Pak ya? Asekmin. We have a assistant in economy. Pak Hasan.
Pak Hasan.
Coordinator.
You may do this. There we are. Well, we'll get the details underneath the letter to Pak Hasan.
Yes.
But it's quite an interesting small project.
Pulau Seribu juga ada ini loh, ada dana. So it's more easy than use of bureaucracy.
Yeah.
Just put it.
Very good, Pak.
To do like this is more easy.
Yeah, very good.
Ya, so bahasa lo Pulau Seribu dia ada dana tuh, langsung coba aja. Dia lagi mau kerjain berapa pulau wisata, Pulau Seribu. Dia langsung aja bahasan. Bupati udah ada dana aja harga.
Baik disalinasi.
Iya, dia ada. Tahun ini kita mau this year Pulau Seribu we really want to make.
It's the purification of the water. Yeah, but
Itu langsung.
yeah. But is there anything on the MRT or the monorail? Any news on that? Any update?
MRT is okay. MRT is still okay.
Yeah.
But we try to invite another investor for West and East. I talked to Japanese ambassador. You know what happened? What's wrong with our MRT project? Your study is more than 20 years ago. When that time, all the business, transportation, the seaport is in the north side. And people from the Dutch colonial, they flock housing in Menteng, central Jakarta. After the second generation, they purchased in Kebayoran Baru, in the South Jakarta. After Kebayoran Baru is too expensive, they bought in Pondok Indah. Pondok Indah is too expensive, they moved to Cinere, Ciputat, Bintaro. Now that's why you think about business, you want to purchase everything Glodok. You want one radio, electronic, one camera, you go to Glodok. Pasar Pagi, Sunda Kelapa, Seaport. That's why you said you need from south to north MRT. But you never do it. After 28 years, how come you still start from south to north? And the real estate and industrial job is west to east. So what we need is the west to east. The more car coming, but the very poor infrastructure for transportation is west to east. And that's why we need, if we have an investor want to get in this business, we want to develop west to east. MRT, no monorail anymore.
Okay.
Monorail is unfeasible, I think.
Okay.
But they keep saying, yes, could do this. You sign. If in 3 months you stop, you have to pay me performance bond. 5%. They reject, if they reject, no sign, no agreement.
Yeah. And So who should we talk to on the MRT about the new concept?
MRT, Pak Dono, directly.
Goodbye.
We have a company, PT MRT.
Yeah.
agree with you.
Now Korean and China interested in this East and West MRT.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, there are bits of it that we wouldn't be doing, obviously, the construction and so on, but there's some of the specialist equipment that would be useful.
Dia bisa langsung kenalin ke Pak.
Bisa.
Ya, nanti bisa langsung.
And some of the master planning.
Ya.
Maybe, yeah.
Mungkin lain kali itu kalau ketemu gitu, kita langsung undang Jakpro,
Yes, that's a very good point. That was
Jadi
with...
kalau udah dubes kalau datang, data-data semua nih, itu udah bisnis, nggak ada lagi perang. Nggak ada lagi perang. Semua ini datang, semua datang. Ini kembali zaman bahaya dagang, dagang nggak beres baru senjata. Kita langsung undang aja Jakpro, kita mau bisa Jakpro, Jakpro kalau langsung.
Akhirnya tadi malam kita bicara dengan Pak Sustanto
Oh yeah.
on the congestion
Or
charge.
deputy governor.
Yeah, deputy governor. So we're trying to sort out the visa and so on to get him to London as quickly as possible.
Yeah.
Because he wants to study the congestion charging.
Too many study, professor. But still, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, he's very smart and he's a professor.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the right person
Yeah.
to go study, you know.
Yeah. Do you think Jakarta would like the congestion charging concept?
Yeah. Now it's the Norway and Sweden want to get involved. That's why Professor Stanto said, if you want to get in this building, you put a model first. You can't just put.
Yeah.
So we will look at which one is better.
Yeah.
The important for us is the open source. We need this to control the traffic volume of the car.
I must say it has been amazing in London. It has completely changed things. And everybody was a bit nervous originally. But now it's completely accepted.
Yeah, nobody like this.
Yeah. The only thing that James would like, you wanted in London originally,
yeah.
there was going to be an exemption for the biodiesel vehicles. But I think we decided not to because it was going to be difficult to know.
That was right, because you don't have to modify the vehicle to run on biodiesel. There is no, I think people are just turning up running on normal diesel and saying this is running on biodiesel. You don't have
I like this. You have to respect the incentive for green energy car.
Because the biodiesel, I mean, if the government of Jakarta had a fleet of cars here, diesel cars, you can use the biodiesel tomorrow.
Yeah.
For example. Relatively easy, Bob, I know you're a very busy man.
No, I have to accompany Mr. Governor to go around. He asked me, he want to show me which part is still wrong, because I always in the office. I never go outside. Mr. Governor want to put it together to see, and so we have the same perception with him. I was here 1 year in the office, never look around. Mr. Governor said, you come with me, I'll show you. After 1 year. Aku tu banyak tunjukkan persepsi sama. 1 year here, you never know what will happen outside. Mr. Governor make a call. Now Mr. Governor want together we go and look.
Pak, terima kasih banyak. Would it be possible to do a small photograph bersama to celebrate this pilot project?
$2, £2 sterling.
And James is committed to providing the top quality, not going to jail.
Oh no, there is.
You have to come his body, so they will remember which one body. Because you're
Okay.
Maggie, sudah?
Just a bit, some further information on the Vincent
Itu aja sih, aku mesti tadi yang
Siapa?
Salah urusan.
Contact with Pak Hasim, this guy.
I think it'll be